Ready to start, guys. Another exciting night as we count down. So, without further ado, let's go do it. Five. Yeah, five. Okay, there we go, guys. Welcome again, guys. Welcome again. Hey, what am I doing there? What am I doing on the beach? Man, I have that's the wrong background. It's like, man, that is seriously the wrong background. But what can I do? Can I change this background or something? No, never mind. We'll just do this. Okay, let me see. Let me see if I can change this background. Okay. La 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 la. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna change the virtual background. This is not the beach show. In case somebody comes in, hey, that's not Crypto Moon. That's the beach show, right? Okay. Now we're back again as Crypto Moon. What an exciting show we have here, especially this week. Okay, don't forget that this week we're going to talk about Ethereum today because everyone's asking, hey, when do I sell my Ethereum if you had bought it? Some people are asking that, when do I buy my Ethereum? Well, if you had bought it, you'd probably be better off than had you not bought it at the lower level. So let's try to see what we can do about that. Next, what we want to do is on Wednesday, remember, bullish on Biden's stimulus and these cryptos. So these cryptos that we're going to talk about on Wednesday are related to Biden, kind of related, not directly related, but could get a boost during the Biden presidency and after he won. Actually, you can see this group of cryptos already got a boost. I think that is so critical, okay? That is so critical. So at least you can see the vote of confidence there, right? Because whenever a new person takes over, then you kind of like want to know, well, okay, who is going to thrive, right? Next, ooh, Dot, man, Dot is hot. What can I say? Dot is so hot, it's hot. I mean, it's just burning my hands, burning my hands. So everyone wants to invest in Dot like this girl, Kiranjit. How do we invest Dot in Malaysia? Try Luno. No, you can't try Luno, and it's quite dangerous, yeah? I agree with Colbert here. Alts. Alts are not the easiest ones to invest in, but yes, you got to do your own research and you got to be very careful. But yes, if you do it correctly, then it has the potential to make you a lot of money now, maybe in the future, even life-changing and game-changing money. That's why we do alts, right? Next. So in between, of course, Monday and Wednesday, you know, we have, I appear on Jeff's and muted. Why am I muted? This is important, guys. This is so important. Let me annotate it here. In between this, which is on a Tuesday, which is tomorrow, right? Starting at 4, but I appear around 4:30 or something, is the show Training Buddies, right? Training Buddies by Ash and Joff. So they come in at 4, I appear at 4:30. And here, 4:30, we will talk about Polkadot because let's take a look at it, okay? Because, you know, Monday we do the big ones like Ethereum, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Wednesday we try to do the small ones. But again, the next week, you know, we're going to do like more Bitcoin on Monday. Ethereum goes on Wednesday. But what about the alts? What about the alts, right? What about the alts? Average trader, are we in alt season? A small one, yes, not a big one, which is why Henry has many things to do, right? Henry is happy now. He's YOLOing. Henry, don't YOLO your entire life savings, okay? 10% is okay. Now, anyway, so we're going to do Polkadot here. And this is exciting. You know why? Because I will go now and ask, and we'll go and teach Jeff on how to put his money in Polkadot. Now, remember that when we invested in Polkadot, you know, we have a class and a bunch of us invested in Polkadot, including Henry, right? We invested where like 430 to 390. I saw someone was getting below 390 and 380. Man, you guys are smart. You guys got a better price than me. Hey guys, I mean, and give a clap to these guys. You know, they have done better than their sensei or sifu or whatever, right? That is so awesome. Okay, so but now, you know, Polkadot is like 17, right? Like, oh no, what do we do? Well, don't worry. I am now tasked to bring Jeff. How does his face look like this, right? to bring Jeff into the world of Polkadot. I'm not gonna wait, because I know if rely to you, like, what are you gonna ask, guys? What are they gonna ask, Henry? When is it gonna pull down? Is it gonna go there? When is it gonna do this? When is it gonna do that? And then you miss the entire thing. See, we have to live in a period of high inflation in terms of altcoins and cryptocurrency. So sometimes when the price moves up, we have to find a way to accommodate that and to invest. And I'm going to show you that. Now, having said that, this is not about speculation, okay? This is about wanting to keep and save down, and I am all for that. Yeah, and we are in a very, very small alt season, but it's alt season nonetheless. I do agree, the average trader. And if you have, I am puzzled, average trader, because if you are using the alt season terminology, I have to be angry at you. Why are you using the average trader, dude? You should use the name, the above average trader, okay? Change your YouTube now, okay? Change your YouTube name, dude. That is not good, okay? Because you're obviously above average. Can be actually alt season if you are not above average, okay? So cool, average trader. So let's go now and see what's happening in the Bitcoin world before you want to go what? Before you want to see Ethereum, like, oh my God, where is Ethereum going? I know we're all disappointed. So what can I say, right? We have to be patient, but let's look at what's happening in the wonderful world of Bitcoin this week, okay? What is happening now? Yes, 5 things to look for, to watch for in BTC price this week. You got guys got to remember that this is also about the Biden inauguration this week. So please, be very, very careful, okay? Anything can happen before that. And I tell you what's happening today, because very interesting what Ash brought up during the show today. And I'll tell you why we are lucky, why sometimes you need to be able to invest in multiple things, right? In multiple assets, right? So DXY, the dollar index, keeps reversing losses, but somehow, I don't know what's happening to cryptos. US dollar go down, they go up. US dollar go up, they go down. No, US dollar goes up, they go up. US dollar goes down, they go up, obviously. So the not so average trader, that is the sign of an alt season, okay? Which I'm calling this a green shoot. It's not the true alt season. The true alt season is later. It's later, okay? Now, let's see what else here. Stocks need a rest. Yeah, the stocks look like they're undergoing correction. S&P fell, what, 3760 or something? Yeah, as Fat Can, he is the expert on the S&P. Yes, the spotlight on alt season, because a lot of alts are moving now, right? Which is why Henry Leong and Fat Khan are very happy people, okay? So this is what happened. So you guys remember that in the US show last week, what did I say? Someone was asking a question. It was a good question. I don't remember who he was, but he said, basically, if BTC was falling down last week, is the money going to bonds? No. They are going to the alts, okay? Because you don't want it. You really don't want to change your money out of crypto into cash, right? That's a pain. And then you have to bring that back in. No, you really flows into alt. So when Bitcoin does nothing, then everything, the alt seem to go up, and the price action is just like within a range. But there are many things going on, and I'm going to show you how this works. Now, having said that, just remember that, this afternoon, the markets were going nowhere. Why? Today is Martin Luther King Jr. holiday, guys. There's not a lot of things happening in the US, okay? So hopefully there's probably not a lot of news flow coming from the US. So when BTC goes steady, what happens? The above average trader, when BTC goes steady, the money flows into alts. Great, right? You got that, right? Great, great, right? Don't worry, average trader, you haven't missed one. But Henry Leong, I told you guys, right? This is the small alt season. There are 2 alt season coming. Okay, not this one. This is still alt season. But there are 2 mega alt season coming. And I hope that the students that can join the new batch can catch 2. Maybe not. I don't know. But at least I know Henry and Fat will catch 2. Okay, go to the moon. Go to the moon. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, people are looking more into Bitcoin, Fat. That's obvious, because it's just easier, it's just something that's easy. And look at this, I mean, you got to feel something weird, right? US dollar goes up and Bitcoin and alts go up. No, Bitcoin goes up higher. Hey, Winnie is the one. Hey, Winnie is here. And Winnie is the one that called the target on 18, the first provisional target of Polkadot on 18. She bought at 4 or something, right? We're buying at 4. She called it at 18. I called it at 16. I am wrong. I know women are always right. Guys, if you want target price, please ask women. See, I've just absolved myself of giving you guys target prices. So this is cool. Now, I want to tell you something that why you should be careful. Always be careful, okay? Because this is what happens. There's a lot of open interest on BTC at 8.8 billion. So 45% expire into it. That people are not cashing out. People are not cashing out. And if you can see what's happening here, let me show you the charts here, okay? Let's get that. See, this is DOT. We saw this Kusama. Ooh, Kusama has also moved up. So what you can see is this, okay? As it chops within this channel, this is obviously a bullish pattern, but we don't know where this is going to go. As we chop within this channel, a lot of people are getting liquidated, okay? That means their options expire worthless, or they're in leverage position and they get liquidated, which means zero. Guys, this is not Forex, okay? This, sometimes, if you do not know what you're doing, is scarier than Forex. However, if you know what you're doing, because I'm there to teach you what you're doing, and you know, and they know, right? Winnie and Fat didn't come at all season, but we were doing something else while waiting for this season, then it's okay. But remember that all these chops results in a lot of liquidation. See, Bitcoin crash liquidates 262,344 traders. They're just liquidating and forcing the stops. Forcing the stops to everyone, okay? They're just taking out your stop loss. Now, I think in the US show, we have basically concluded that the brokers taking out or stop, you know, maybe this doesn't apply for non-farm payroll, I don't know, but normal cases, brokers taking out the stops are like our imagination, right? I mean, I've seen on some good brokers that, you know, I was with one pip within a stop loss, it didn't take it out. And let me tell you, if you do not know what you're doing in cryptos, let me tell you, the stop loss in Forex is like, this is heaven. Stop me out again. This is heaven. Stop me out again. Because my friends, in crypto, a stop loss can turn into a quick liquidation. You're just over. The account is over. Say, sayonara, sayonara. Yes, we will handle that Fat. No, one later, okay, later, probably on Wednesday or next week, because we have a lot of things to cover. So please be careful of liquidation. So let me just tell you the news of liquidation and just an example of liquidation before we go to Ethereum, right? I know you guys want the target on Ethereum, but remember, I just absolved myself, all the women here. Are you ready to give the men the target? Are you ready? Okay. Yeah. The account is going to burn. Now, I told you last night that me and my students, we were so hot on DOT. And this is a true story. Right? Winnie saw the account, right? I set up a kind of new account so that they can show. I wanted to show this as a model to them to show that how this works, that things really work. You know, we have to be patient going into all season. What did we start out the account with? What Winnie? It's 3284, right? I told you guys that on Friday, this account had gone up to 10.8. That's all. That's more than triple, guys. 3 months. 3 months triple. Where else can you get that? Julian was right. This is not investing. What is it? Alt. What is it? It's alt season. Okay. It is not investing at all. Okay. So this is 3 times. But remember that during one day when we went into Sunday show yesterday, this account had fallen to 9.8. 1,000. Now, because this is 1,000, you say like, hey, so what? I'm going to wait because I got in here. That was a long time ago, right? But if you were here at 1,000, you know what? You would want to be pressing the I'm going to exit button. I'm going to stop loss button. Where is it going to go? Is it going to go there? I don't believe you. You won't even believe me that I said that it will rebound. You will not believe me, right? You will be out. Guess what today, guys? Guess where this account is today now? Just to show you the basically volatility of crypto. Hey, guess what? Today, it's back up to 11,300. It was like 11,500 like before that. Like, So that is the kind of volatility you get in cryptos. But the point is that since we started this account with my students and they know what's going on to this account, right? Guess what? It has more than triple. I think the return is like 250%. Okay, it's 213%. I don't know what it is, guys. I'm not good in calculation, but that's like 200. What is this? Like 230% ROI in 3 months. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Okay, that's cool. And this is what we're using forward. And so don't miss the shows on Polkadot every Tuesday. Okay, guys, you do not want to miss that because that's I teach you how to do it safely. I'm gonna learn a lot there. Okay, and nobody covers Polkadot except me. Yeah, I'm the guy that most covers Polkadot. Me, myself, and I. Hopefully, more of the gurus and sifus can cover Polkadot because you can say, "Hey, you're boring. You ought to be covering Polkadot." Yeah, you ought to be covering Polkadot, guys, because Polkadot is like the hottest thing since Ethereum, and that is a fact. So let's go to Ethereum now. Now, those of you that have Ethereum, also remember that let me give you a little context here. Okay, that we were in Ethereum since what, 300, 400? Yeah, some of the smart students were adding to their positions at 500. I was buying between 360, average 360, right? Because I was going in at 330, 380, 360, and it ended up like 360 average. Man, I have a lot of Ethereum. Like, how can I have so many Ethereum? That's so weird, isn't it? But now at 1, 2, 3, 4, I am smiling, right? I am smiling like this. You want to smile like this? Get in early. Yeah, I wish I had a cartoon there. Anyway, here we are again. But I'm disappointed in Ethereum because it hasn't gone over the all-time high of 1,400. So a lot of you are asking when all-time high. I'm asking too. So a lot of you are asking when. I do not know when because, I just don't know when. Well, maybe I do, but I'm still not going to tell you because I want to teach you how to look for the clues as to when, okay? And then you make your own conclusions, but we know that it's got to be hitting that, right? Don't tell me it doesn't hit that. Let's go to the weekly chart and let's see where it is. Yeah, it's so close. Like, what is that? What is that? What is that? It's like a J curve, okay? But this is an incomplete J, okay? This is an incomplete J. 1,419, right? 1,419 on Coinbase. It is not there yet. When can it go there? Now, the thing is, I know you guys are in the position, you guys want to ask when it can go there, but that's wrong. What do we ask, guys? The first thing is, why can it go there, right? Why? Why can it go there? Okay, you guys have heard about Ethereum 2.0. Let me ask you a question. Since you are very clever people here, now look here and look here. The not so average trader. I'm going to make you not so average. Look, BTC dominance was 69. It's gone down to 66. That's why we have a mini alt season, okay? Do you understand that? The average trader, do you understand that? During the last alt season, which you missed, my friend. I'm not going to call you the average trader. Okay, I'm going to call you the above average trader. This went to 57. Okay, 57. We got a long way to go. Okay, during the mega alt season, what does it go down to? I'm not going to tell you. You're going to have to follow my show every week. Okay, got to give you guys motivation, guys. Got to give you guys motivation. So let's look at Ethereum now. How many people know what is the maximum amount of Bitcoin at any time? What is the maximum amount of Bitcoin anytime so that you remember, so that you know what's going on? Why did I write it? Why did I write it, right? Why did I write it? Why did I write it? 21 million, right? Now, who knows? Because they always say, right, cryptocurrency is fixed supply. You cannot print more. Hence, when the dollar is being printed, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies go up. Bitcoin go up. Ethereum goes up even more, 21 million. Now, let me ask you a question. What is the maximum for Ethereum? Okay. We know that Ethereum now is staking. That's fine, right? Even the previous shows, we know now that have a staking contract for Ethereum because we're going out from proof of work to proof of stake because it's so expensive, right? I mean, just to transfer Ethereum things, like sometimes I get $7 is the cheapest one I got. I've been getting between $34 and $35. I just don't do anything with Ethereum now, right? But I want to know, what is the maximum amount supply of Ethereum? Can you guys give me an answer? Because if you guys can answer this, or you can answer this with me, then you guys can know why it has to go up. Not now, it can go anytime, right? But again, I am a guy that likes dates, okay? What is the maximum supply of Ethereum? Correct, 18 million per year. Now, what did he just say? Fed basically said Ethereum is printed every year. Isn't that like the US dollar? Okay, not like the US dollar. Okay, maybe it's like the Aussie dollar. Maybe it's like the British pound, right? Because you guys say, no, 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 no. Okay, so it's inflationary. The amount goes up, and now you say no. And I say yes. You are buying an asset which is being printed. And as the asset is being printed, what happens? The more the supply, it tends to bring down the price, right? So now, do you guys understand why Ethereum is finding it hard muted again? I'm so excited. Now, did you guys why? Now, do you guys know why, right? I hope you guys now know why that this is inflationary. It is not deflationary, okay? So you guys really got to be very careful, okay? So this is why this is struggling. So if it is going up, you must find a reason, say, hey, for it to go up here, over 1419 and go up higher. You guys want to go up higher, right? You guys want to go up to 15, 17, 2000. It doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter, because when it goes up, nothing really matters, right? You kind of don't care, right? To go up beyond this and to 1006, 1008, or 2000, I'm just using this. These are not my targets. These are just numbers. You have to find a reason for it to go up. That means, is there news in the market that the Ethereum supply is going down? That's something you got to answer, because if not, guess what? You are going to go here and you are going to wait. Do you know there's the Malay saying, right? Like the, what do you say? Pungguk rindukan bulan, like the bird is waiting for the moon. And you guys are going to look at the moon every night. Every night. You know, while Winnie Law, well, Winnie has had her polka dot overachieve. The rest of you on Ethereum's like, okay, we're waiting. You know, you're like the pungguk rindukan bulan. You're like the bird. I don't know. What is the pungguk in English? I don't know. You are missing the moon. That is bad. Now, let me tell you two reasons what is happening. The first thing is there is a standard. I'm going to show you this, guys. This could be your lucky day for those of you that have been waiting around. I mean, you've been frustrating. When does it go up? Why doesn't it go up? Life is not fair. Life has treated Henry Leong too well, because he can YOLO, and Winnie is like is overachieving her target. But Ethereum seems to struggle here. Don't worry, guys. EIP 1355 is coming. You gotta know this. There are two things you gotta know. The first one is EIP 1355, okay? What does EIP 1355? What does EIP 1355 say? Because if this is not there, I think you will be forever, be like the bird waiting for the moon to do, you know, just waiting for the moon, okay? This is bad. So what does it do here? Look, this talks about Ether inflation rate. Ether inflation rate means it goes down, right? But guess what? Although there's increasing deflation, there is another standard called EIP 1355 that burns the token. You know, all the $35 that I'm paying, you know, the $35 that I'm paying for this, right? That I'm paying for the Ethereum fees, those are burned, lost forever, right? So what happens then? Ethereum EIP, let's see that. See that? Oh, sorry, it's not 1355, it's 1559. Sorry, yeah, it's 1559. Man, I'm confused. 1559. Okay, so what does 1559 say? This is going to be burned. See, they're going to buy back. Basically, it's burned. The miners don't like it, but I don't know what are the miners doing. They shouldn't complain because it's going to go to proof of stake anyway. So again, EIP 1559, right? So 1559 basically burns the token. Okay, that's the first thing. Understand that. You can Google this. 1559 basically burns the token. We are going to burn a lot of ETH. Then we will have 0 to negative issuance. That means it won't be inflationary anymore, right? No more of printing. That means it's not like fiat currency, right? So now you are guys more happy. Okay, this is a Vitalik Buterin, founder of Ethereum. Basically, is very controversial because a lot of Ethereum miners, they're going to lose money, right? But with this, guess what? Suddenly now, you can say, I have hope. Okay, you can say, oh, now we have hope. We have hope now. Now you're going to say, when is this going to happen? I'm not going to give you the target. You guys got to ask women for the target, okay? Now we have hope. You know, like Star Wars, you know, there is hope. There is hope in the universe, guys. We have hope. Now you say when. When? When is this going to happen? Now that you know it can happen, this is like can happen. Can. Now you want to know when, right? Two, that's normal. You don't know when because you've been waiting for this for so long. You've been waiting for the ETH moon for so long. So next, what do? We go here. Not there, here. Look, CME has waited 3 years for ETH futures. When is ETH futures coming up? This is CME, okay? So soon you're going to see the CME gap on Ethereum, which means it will be easier to read Ethereum patterns like Bitcoin, which means if you want to buy it on the way going up, you know where to wait for the correction and buy low, which is buy the dip, okay? Don't buy the pump. Man, you guys buy the pump. Please be patient. So it waited 3 years. When is it coming, guys? So it's going to go to this. February 2021. Did they mention the date? It's actually February 8th. Okay, actually February 8th, and Bitcoin hit December 17th. Remember that. February 8th, right? February 8th. Let's find something reference. Do we have something on a reference to February 8th? Let's see. So you see that it went down to 800. It came back up. See, ETH futures offerings lift altcoins. Okay, so let's see. ETH CME futures. Or did I get it wrong? I just want to know the date. I cannot find the date here, but it's basically February. Let's see here. February. It is February 8th. Okay, and this is very important because Bitcoin was what? Bitcoin is December 17th. Hey, yeah, February 8th. Can you see that? Ether futures on February 8th. Why is this important? You go here. And it is up to you when you want. Because people ask me, when do you sell? I don't know, guys. I want you to think. That's better. Because I won't always be around. What if I'm sleeping? Henry, stop bothering me when I'm sleeping, okay? I mean, Henry's in Australia. He could be up and I'm still sleeping. So we got to teach Henry this, okay? Now, I want you to look at something. What happened, guys? Do you guys remember? No, you guys don't remember. What am I talking about? Okay, what am I talking about? We're going to end on a high. Don't worry, guys. What happened when the BTC futures was launched? What happened, guys? December 17th, right? This was the week of 11th, ending the 18th. What happened? What happened? What happened? What do you think will happen to Ethereum? Because now you have Ethereum doing, it's going to get listed somewhere here. So I leave it up to you. This has happened before. So will Ethereum go up and then go down? Will it go down and then go up? Look at history. Do you understand what I'm talking about? I don't have to tell you the targets. I just gave you a reason why it's going to go up. I just gave you a pattern of what happened before, right? It went up, and then after it was listed, it went down. Why? Because suddenly traders could short Ethereum. Remember that? No, this is traders could short Bitcoin. Same thing. The big funds can now short Ethereum then. Will it go down? I don't know. I am just showing you what happened to Bitcoin, and now it is up to you to decide, guys. And I want you to go and think to decide for yourself, because that is the best. Where is this going to? And this is the quiz that you are going to have to answer yourself, right? And now, thank you, Henry. Don't call me. Okay, guys, see you later. Bye.